The first command we will talk about it is mirror. Go to Home tab, Modify List. This is the icon for mirror command. To select, left click. Now select the object. To select the object, left click. To confirm selection, right click. Now we need to select 2 points that define a line about which the object will be mirrored. So let's say that this is our first point, left click, and let's say that this is our second point, left click. Now it's asking you if you want to erase the source object or no. Let's say no, enter. So we got a mirror for this object. The shortcut for the command mirror is MI, type MI, enter or space. Now select the object that you want to make a mirror for it. So let's say that this is our object. To select, left click. To confirm selection, right click. The same thing, now we need to specify 2 points to define a line about which the object will be mirrored. So let's say that this is our first point, left click, and this is our second point, left click. Now let's say that you don't want the source object, select yes. The source object will be deleted.